linear differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are constants, are functions of x only, is known as a first order linear differential equation. You can observe these examples. Dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square. In this, you are observing that there is only one dy by dx. There is no d square y by dx square or d cube y by dx cube. It means that it is of first order. If you find dy by dx in the question, it means it is first order. And coming to its degree, it is of to the power 1. Dy by dx whole to the power 1. That means that it is linear differential equation. Similarly, in the second example also, you can find dy by dx plus y sec x is equal to tan x. Here also the order is 1 and it is degree 1. So, we call these examples all as linear differential equations. How to solve this linear differential equations? What is the algorithm for solving linear differential equations? So, whenever the given equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, obtain p and q from the given question. After finding p and q, in the second step, you need to find out the integrating factor, which is taken as e to the power integral p dx. This is very important in each and every linear differential equations, finding integrating factor. This alone will give you for 1 mark questions, finding integrating factor. After finding integrating factor, the solution of the differential equation can be observed as y times integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now in this question, we have to find the integral factor of x dy by dx minus y is equal to 2x square. We know that dy by dx plus py is equal to q is the standard form of differential equation, linear differential equation. In there, p and q are constants, they are the functions of x. Reducing the given question into this form, we can write it as dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 2x square by x, which will reduce us to p is equal to minus 1 by x and q is equal to 2x. q is equal to 2x. Now, integrating factor is defined as e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral minus 1 by x dx. We know that integration of 1 by x is log x. So, it is e to the power minus log x. This is equal to e to the power log x to the power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by x. So, 1 by x is the integrating factor in the given question. Let us find the integrating factor in the given question 1 minus y square dx by dy plus y by x is equal to a1. Reducing this to the form dx by dy plus y by 1 minus y square times x is equal to a y by 1 minus y square. It is in the form of dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Px is equal to q, where p and q are constants, are the functions in y. Then in this case, integrating factor is written as e power integral p dx. So from the question, p is equal to y by 1 minus y square. Therefore, our integrating factor becomes e power integral y by 1 minus y square dy. This is by considering 1 minus y square as t, so by substitution method, 1 minus y square is equal to t, we are going to get minus 2y dy is equal to dt. So here y dy is written as minus dt by 2. So we are going to get integral e power integral dt by minus 2t. This is equal to e power minus 1 by 2 and integral 1 by t is log t, which is equal to t is nothing but 1 minus y square. So this is e to the power minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus y square, which can be written as 1 by root over 1 minus y square. By eliminating exponential function and logarithmic function, which are reverse functions. Solve this given linear differential equation. Dy by dx plus 3y is equal to e power minus 2x. So it is in the form of dy by dx plus 3y is equal to q, where p and q are constants or they are the functions in x. Comparing with this, p is equal to 3 and q is equal to e power minus 2x. When the equation is in this form, the solution is equal to y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. This is the solution of the standard form of linear differential equation. So first of all, find out integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx, that is equal to e power integral 3 dx. So integration of 3 is 3x. So the answer is e power 3x. This is the integrating factor. Now come to the answer. Solution is y into integrating factor, that is e power 3x, is equal to integral of q. Our q is here e power minus 2x and integrating factor is e power 3x plus c. Now simplifying this, y into e power 3x is equal to integration of e power x plus c. So integral e power x is same as e power x. So this is equal to y into e power 3x is equal to e power x plus c. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation. If you want, you can simplify further and you can write it as y is equal to e power x by e power 3x, which will give you e power minus 2x plus c times e power minus 3x. Like this also you can write as the answer. Let us see this question. Find a particular solution satisfying the given condition of the differential equation given by dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x. They have given the conditions y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 2. First of all, try to get the general solution of this differential equation. Then we shall substitute these x value and y value to get the particular solution. For that, we consider this one in the standard forms dy by dx plus py is equal to q. By comparing these two, we can write p is equal to 2 tan x and q is equal to sin x. Now, our question is to find out integrating factor first. Integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral 2 tan x dx. This is equal to e power 2 times log sec x. Integral tan x is log sec x. This is equal to e power log sec square x, sec x whole square. That is nothing but, as e and logarithm are reverse functions, our answer is sec square x. This is the integrating factor. Now let us find the solution. Solution is, we know the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So here y as it is integrating factor is sec square x is equal to integral of q is sin x into again sec square x dx plus c. This is equal to integral of, simplify this, sin x into sec square x can be written as 1 by cos square x dx plus c. So this in cos square x, 1 cos x, let us write to this. Then you are going to get sin x by cos x as tan x into sec x dx plus c. So integral tan x sec x is equal to sec x plus c. Y into sec square x is equal to sec x plus c. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now let us find out the value of c. Value of c for the given values y is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 3. If we substitute y is equal to 0, this term becomes 0. Sec x, sec pi by 3. Sec pi by 3 is nothing but 2. 2 plus c implies we are going to get c is equal to minus 2. Substitute back the value of c. Y into sec square x is equal to sec x minus 2 is the general solution. Is the general solution, and also it is the particular solution. Is the particular solution of the given differential equation. Of the given differential equation. Let us solve this differential equation and find the particular solution at the given point 0, 2. So, as we know that this is under different linear differential equations, let us change to the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Change it to this form, that is dy by dx, bring this to here, minus y is equal to x minus 5 by rearranging. From here, p is equal to minus 1, q is equal to x minus 5. As we know, first of all we have to find out integrating factor, which is e to the power integral p dx, means e to the power integral minus 1 dx. This is equal to integration of 1 is x with respect to dx. So e to the power x along with the minus x. Now the next thing is solution. Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Apply and substitute y into, here the integrating factor is e to the power minus is equal to integration, q is x minus 5 and integrating factor is e power minus x dx plus c. This is equal to nothing to do in the left hand side. Coming to the right hand side, integration of x e power minus x, separate it, the integral minus 5 times integral e power minus x dx plus c. Now continuing is equal to integration of x e power minus x dx. You have to use the formula f of x g of x integral. So that is f of x is x integral g of x dx minus integration of f dash x. F dash x is nothing but 1 here. F dash x integration of g of x dx plus c. Simplify, and again you have one more factor here, minus 5. Integral e power minus x is minus e power minus x. Now this becomes, simplified here, e power minus x integration again, minus x into e power minus x minus integral 1 is integration of this is plus integral e power minus x dx plus 5 e power minus x. plus c. Now this is equal to minus x e power minus x. Integration of this is minus e power minus x dx plus 5 e power minus x plus c. Now our left hand side is y into e power minus x is equal to minus x e power minus x, and this is minus 1 and plus 5 will give you 4 e power minus x dx plus c. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. But we want to find the particular solution at 0, 2. So substitute x value as 0 and y value as 2. So we are going to get e to the power 0. E to the power 0 is 1, y value is 2. 2 is equal to, this becomes x value is 0, so this becomes 0 plus 4, this is 1, e power 0 is 1 plus c, implies c is equal to minus 2. Substitute c is equal to minus 2 in the general solution. We are going to get the particular solution. Minus x e power minus x plus 4 e power minus x minus 2. Simplifying, y is equal to minus x e power minus x will be eliminated plus 4 minus 2 e power x. So again this will become a constant. This is your answer. Solve the linear differential equation x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log x. Let us change this into the standard form. Dy by dx plus 2 by x y is equal to x square log x by x. So the standard form of equation is dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where if you compare these two, p is equal to 2 by x and q is equal to x square and x will get cancelled, x log x. So first of all we need to find out integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral 2 by x dx. The integration of 2 by x is, 2 is constant, integral 1 by x is log x. So this is equal to, you can write 2 log x as x square, log x square. Therefore, e and to the power log x square, which will give you x square. X square is the integrating factor. Then to find out the solution, solution of this is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into integrating factor is x square. Y into x square is equal to integration of, our q is here x log x. X log x into x square dx plus c. Okay. Now you need to find out the integration of x cube log x dx and then try to complete the answer. Are you able to do it? Let us try now. Complete the answer. Have you completed? Check your answer whether you got it correct or not. Y is equal to x square by 4 log x minus x square by 16 plus c. I think everyone got correct answer. Very good. Thank you.